Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you a Crompton Greaves high speed which I got from one of my dad's friends. So these are the pictures of the fan and why he gave it to me, the hole and all the damage. Let's continue with the video. So as you can see, the logo says, and this fan was used in my uncle's kitchen. So it has all this grease. The bolt is not original. The rod moves, that's the reason. And I had changed the capacitor and the capacitor connector. The fan works as well. Let me show you the hole after welding. So this is the hole after welding. Actually, all this where I have my finger, all this was burnt paint. I sanded it out, but still we can see. But I'm gonna get to cleaning this, cleaning this grease, the dirty canopies. I'm gonna work on the blades later, but now let's get to disassembling the fan. As you can see guys, this is clean. Now I'm going to skip and start cleaning this as well, because all of this needs to be done, and we have all this dirty freaking grease shit, so we'll get to work. So guys, this is fully cleaned, as you can see, and you're left with a nice puddle of water. So I'll clean everything and see you again. Plate right now, it's fully done. I must clean the lower plate. It's clean, and also from the inside, because you can see all that corrosion. Canopies are clean. This is clean from inside. From outside it looks brand spanking new. Just needs a little bit of repaint. Inside it's good. And also the rod is clean. Everything is done. We only have the blades left, and we'll get to that tomorrow. So see you guys. Hello guys, welcome back. So it's been 2 days since I cleaned. Today we are cleaning the world's worst ceiling fan blade. By worst I mean worst. Look at this, the kitchen fan has such blades. Do you think the aerodynamics of these aren't spoiled? This is the one which I tried to clean, but I failed at it. Just this much got clean. We'll start with this one. Back with the OG stuff. After almost 1 hour of scrubbing and cleaning the fan, I got the blades cleaned and it looks as good as new, but a repaint is needed. As you can see, it looks so clean and glossy. Original paint is still there. So I'll just place them on the stool so that the water dries up, and I think by evening I should be taking this
with the paint booth to get repainted. You can see some thick grease which is still there. Most of it has been cleaned. You know, I should be making a video soon about how to clean a kitchen dirty fan. You know, should be a helping tutorial. Now let me pack all this in my bag and we'll take this to the paint booth. And you know, the smooth finish the paint has got, you know, the original finish. The original paint has orange peel. The repaint shouldn't be having orange peel. So let's go to the paint booth.
Here, forgot to put the canopies in. Both the canopies. I've taped the Crompton logo. The fan is in without the stator. I put the body. I'll take this to the paint booth now, and it should be back in by Saturday. So let's. Guys, it's 10 in the morning, and let's get to work on the high speed because it's back from the paint booth. So first thing, I remove this bearing, get the spring out. There's lots of work we need to do today. Assemble the fan and install. Let's get every part we need. We need the downward, we need the wires. That's all. We need legendary screw, pliers, tester. The motor bolt. The motor bolt, the washers for the blade screws, every part that you can imagine. That's it. Being properly assembled. The spin down time is bad because the lower bearing is gone bad. For some reason, I knew it is bad from the starting since I got the fan. And some parts the spray paint did not fall well. And same thing happened in the paint. Down part little, not precisely to be scratches, but something around scratches has come. I don't have this Crompton safety screw for this fan, so I will fit that later. Now we'll assemble the downward. Oh my god, guys, this looks like it's been unpackaged from the box. I thank Mr. Pasha Bhai, the painter. Some run. That happens. Mr. Pasha Bhai, the painter. I'll give us contact information in the description. I need to get a label for this and the Crompton logo. Crompton safety screw. And you can see some more spray. It's connected. Put this on 5. Switch this on. Guys, one lesson is the capacitor is bad and the bearings is bad. Now we'll stop in split second. And stop. So let me change the capacitor. Capacitor, gun, install the safety screw and tighten the nut. lower the canopy. Okay, canopy still has a logo. Let's switch on the fan. There's a markable increase in the performance. This is so good, guys. I think I should shift this to my bedroom right. Move the fan because luckily I found a spare bearing in my trash pile. This is upper bearing which I have tried. This is lower bearing which means it's smooth. So remove this bearing. It's an easy job. Previous shot I did not show you that I had used the round rod, but I need any place where you can find the stator. Hold the bearing for the camera. Easy to remove the bearing. That is a simple trick which I use all the time, especially when the bearings are stuck on shaft, on the fans, stator shaft. The bearing which I bought. This is free, smooth, and this is the one which is there. This is very rough. So I will install this one. This is a used nozzle like done. Now let me assemble the stator. For assembling stator, never forget to put this frame in, because that's the most important piece every time. So we can see the stator is wobbling because there is some bearing noise. I don't care. I just want to find the spin freely. Start. Video I told you that I'll show you the capacitor to this fan, and here it is the Chinese capacitor. This is the same fan. Look how good it is right now. 2.25 microfarad. It's so neat. So let's put this aside. The fan is in full speed, and yes, after I shot the video with the bad bearing, the fan wouldn't even speed in 1, 2 and 3. Now direct the jump to 5. Wow. Who cares about the bearing noise when you have such a neat fan? That's what I want. 4, 5, 4, looks like this shaft is also broken. Change that back there so now the fan is able to come in its full potential. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. So if you like the series, thumbs up and comment down below. All that grinding noise, it's there in my 90s high speed and that is killing me. Who cares when you have running fan? Yo, spin down time. Well, put this in my dad's room.